The Syro-Malabar Church is an apostolic church which traces its origin to Saint Thomas the Apostle, who landed at Cranganore in AD 52 and founded 7 Christian communities in Malabar Coast. Arapalli, which comes under the territory of Thakala Diocese, is also believed to be founded by Saint Thomas. Saint Thomas was martyred in AD 72 at Mylapore, Chinnamalai, near Chennai. The early Christian community emerged from him in India was known as Saint Thomas Christians or Nasranis, meaning those who follow the path of Jesus of Nazareth.
The Syro-Malabar Catholic Church is one of the 23 Eastern Catholic churches in full communion with Rome. It is the second largest Eastern Catholic church after the Ukrainian Church. It is a sui juris church governed by the Synod of Bishops, headed by the Major Archbishop. In 1887, Pope Leo XIII reorganized the Syro-Malabar Catholics into 2 independent vicariates of Kottayam and Trichur. Finally, in 1896, the Syro-Malabar Church obtained bishops of their own rights and nationality. The hierarchy of this church was established in 1923.
On December 16, 1992, Pope John Paul II, by the Apostolic Constitution, Quae Maiori, raised the Syro-Malabar Church to the status of Major Archiepiscopal Sui Juris Church. There are altogether nearly 5 million Syro-Malabar faithful spread all over the world. There are 62 bishops, 8,547 priests, and 32,114 women religious and 1,214 major seminarians. Many bishops, priests, religious, and laity of the Syro-Malabar Church are present all over the world and share in missionary and pastoral life of the sister churches.
Kanyakumari, one of the best places of diversity in nature, antique, and culture. The Eparchy of Thakkalai, the first Tamil diocese of the Syro-Malabar Church, has seats in this land of antique in the year 1960 through the initiative of the Eparchy of Changanasheri. On April 29, 1955, the Holy Father Pius XII, by the bull Multuram Fidelium, extended the territory of the Diocese of Changanasheri beyond the river Pamba in Kerala up to Kanyakumari, the southernmost boundary of India. From 1960 onwards, priests from the Archdiocese of Changanasheri started mission work in the area of the Kanyakumari district. From 1967 onwards, priest congregations and religious sisters also came forward to start religious houses and convents for the mission work. The missionaries trained the people liturgy and spirituality, and by these developed into parishes and mission stations. The bishops who had contributed to the mission work in Kanyakumari district up to the formation of the diocese were Archbishop Mar Matthew Kaukat, Archbishop Mar Anthony Padiyara, and Archbishop Mar Joseph Pavathil.
In 1996, the Eparchy of Thakkalai was formed and announced Mar George Alancheri as the first bishop of the new eparchy on December 18th, with the jurisdiction over the whole Kanyakumari district and the taluk of Changottai in Tenkasi district. On 26th May 2011, Bishop Mar George Alancheri was elected as a major archbishop of the Syro-Malabar Church. And in the vacancy, Reverend Monsignor Philip Kodiyanthara was appointed as the eparchial administrator. Mar George Rajendran SDB was announced as the new bishop of the Eparchy of Thakkalai on 24th August 2012. Pope Francis extended the territory of the Eparchy of Thakkale on 9th October 2017 by including the entire civil districts of Tirunelveli, Thuthukudi, Ramanathapuram, Virudhunagar, Sivagangai, Theni and Madurai.
Some statistics of the diocese: parishes or mission centers 81, priests 81, religious congregations 22, sisters 285, seminarians 39, convents 64, major education institutions 32, special schools 8, palliative care units 3, rehabilitation centers 14.
The 25 years of being formed as an eparchy, the Thakkale diocesan family takes this occasion for evaluation, renewal, and deepening of faith in all aspects of our call and mission, based on the word of God, Duc in alto, cast into the deep. May Mother Mary, the patron of our diocese, intercede for us before her beloved Son Jesus Christ forever.